Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is free marketplace content from the folks at Epic Games for May 2022. And this month we have a couple of nice things, actually 5 free stuff that you can get and 1 permanently free content. And to get started, we're looking at the Horse Starter Pack. The Horse Starter Pack is a perfect solution for anyone looking to add horses to their games. This game ready kit is animated using the Unreal character skeleton for the horse rider. So if you're thinking about having a horse in your scene and probably a rider, then this is definitely something that you should consider checking out. This comes with the ZBrush file, the Maya file, and at the same time, you'll be getting a fully rigged model with 69 different animations. All of the blueprints to get the rider and also the horse walking is there, and there's a couple of physics assets that is also tied to this. And for sure, if you're thinking about getting horse animation like we mentioned, there are a couple of them that can just get you up to speed. Moving forward, we have the Niagara Mega VFX Pack Volume 1. So, for those who have been wondering about getting that very stylized visual effects in their games, then this is a very beautiful one. You'll be getting a total of 96 Niagara effects, and these are all included in the 6 packs that comes with this particular pack. So this is a huge one for those who've been thinking about bringing some effects in their scenes. And effects you'll be getting includes some muzzle flashes, some bullet trails, some impact, energy, ray effects, and so much more. So if you're thinking about creating or deploying your games for PC, Mac, Linux, PlayStation, and also Xbox, all of these effects are right here, and you can play with the 96 unique effects that comes with this and start getting some things done. And if you're an Unreal artist that would like to make some underwater scene, then the Reef Kit is definitely one that you should consider grabbing. The Reef Kit is a fully customizable set of assets for creating an interesting living and breathing underwater scene. This comes with a huge number of assets, as you'll be getting about 45 different meshes with this, and there's a good number of materials that you might want to consider looking at. This doesn't just come with materials and also meshes as well. You also be getting some particle system and a couple more things to get up to speed. So if you're into creating underwater scenes, or probably you're trying to explore that particular genre, then you might want to grab the Reef Kit. And speaking about things that you might want to grab, the Stone Pine Forest is an environmental asset pack that can be used in every stage of your project. The Stone Pine Forest comes with a couple of procedural foliage systems that can definitely help you create some beautiful landscape, from forest-like to hills all the way to natural pathways. This asset pack will definitely get you something that you can use to tweak and also create that amazing landscape that you've always wanted to create. And some of the things you'll be getting with this includes 82 unique meshes. You'd also have access to 2 different variations of maps, some procedural foliage system, and of course a good chunk of textures. So the textures you'll be getting here is 163, and your texture resolution ranges from 1K all the way to 4K. All of these things are right here, and for those who like to follow up with this and probably want to read up on how to get things to work, then you might want to read up the documentation and get started with it. The Sunset Modular Medieval Brick Buildings is also something that you might want to consider looking at. These are a set of architectural medieval assets that were modeled with specific attention to work with parallax occlusion mapping, and this actually comes with a huge set of assets for those who like to work with it. Currently, you'll be getting 120 plus modular medieval buildings, which include castle walls, churches, houses, and a couple more assets that you can play with. Regardless of that, there is also an extra 40 plus interior meshes and assets that you can work with. And of course, this includes some basic interior furnishing that you might want to explore. And for those who like to work with textures, you can simply work with any of the textures that you have coming from Quixel Bridge, or you can take advantage of the 120 plus textures that comes with this and 70 plus materials and get up to speed. One cool thing about the Sunset Modular Medieval Brick Building is this has been updated to work with Unreal Engine 5. And finally, for this month, we have the Commercial Long Range Aircraft. So this is a highly detailed passenger jet airline with PBR materials, and it has been fully rigged and also comes with a couple of animation and some animation blueprints for those who like to use this in their games or animation. Now this offers 1 unique aircraft mesh with a couple of textures that you can also play with. The texture resolution for this is 4K, and it is quite an impressive one for anyone who is thinking about playing with the textures, switching textures, and also thinking about working with some beautiful aircraft model or probably animating it. So this is more like it. For those who like to take advantage of all of this that is currently available, you can simply go over to the link in the description and start downloading this and start working with them, as these are available for the month of May. And of course, if you like to take advantage of some of the free things that you can get from the folks at Epic Games, you can simply go over to the Unreal Engine Marketplace, where you can find tons and tons of permanently free content, Megascan content, Unreal Engine content, and also some free content that you can get for the month. So this is more like it. Tell me what you guys think about this ones in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.